What it tells you is the technicals in the equity market are extraordinary, and the earnings numbers that are coming through are pretty powerful. And so, you look at the U.S. economy and you look at what's, I heard at the beginning of the show talking about the economy's weak, economy's strong. Actually, the parts of the economy and the primary drivers are doing quite well. You look at tech, you look at some of the numbers yesterday that you cited, and you look at these earnings growth. I was looking at some of the semis. You're talking about 97% earnings growth year on year. Like unbelievably powerful numbers. And then you look at, the high-end consumer, that consumption. You look at retail sales when you break it down. Pretty darn good. So you've got an economy, and by the way, you've got, housing's not in good shape, lower income's not in good shape. So that is what it is. But what drives the equity market is in pretty good shape. And the technicals, so you had this period of time that nobody wanted to buy stocks, and then you realize, I've said it before, you're going to have an IPO calendar this year that maybe is a couple $100 billion, maybe. We're going to buy back $1 trillion of stock this year. So we're actually, there's not enough stock to buy. So it's just a pretty, you talk about how explosive this is. You realize people sit on their hands, I don't want to do anything, particularly in tech. And then all of a sudden, maybe a little bit of better news, the earnings come in, and then you create this. The technicals and equities, by the way, it's completely different when you think about the treasury.